In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make triangular arrangement table. First of all, we have to make a basic shape of the triangular itself. We can set the value around 600 millimeter, and we can set the height around 200 millimeter. Okay, and then we can push it up around 500 millimeter only. Then we can push it I'm sorry, we can make a triangular in this face with line. Just draw it anyway. Okay, and then we can push it until the limit to the back with the push tool, and do the same method with this side anyway. Okay, and then we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 15 millimeter, and then we can push it until the limit. Okay, and then we can triple click and make group, and we can make it component and just create it. And after that, we can duplicate it to the another side. We can place on the back side first, and then we can flip it along with the blue axis. Okay, and then we can move it to the little bit on the another triangle itself. Anyway, we can move it around 30 millimeter. Okay, and then we can move it again here. We can move it around 30 millimeter, so it has a connection between the edge of triangular itself. Okay, and then we can duplicate it. We can duplicate it for this the path of this triangle, and then we can move and press Ctrl on keyboard and place on it. Okay, and then we can make glass to be a top table itself. Okay, and then we can push it up around 10 millimeter, and then we can make group. And after that, we can make a glass material on the top table, and then we can set the triangular itself with wood material, and then we can set this triangular. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.